into crafts at all?
Huh? Yeah, there's...
Did this get in here?
Yeah. Oh my God. I know, keep that, take that. I was gonna take it, and this one. And this. Hey, we won't. Come here. Catch. Don't drop this. It's graffiti stuff. I can't reach you. Here. Nice catch. This one. Hold on, sheesh. This one has, careful with those two. Sorry, Sheesh. That's it. Woo! Holy crap. That was a good one.
I'm gonna be pissing glitter.
Holy crap, balls. Piss and glitter.
Yeah, there's glitter everywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Grandma's gonna be
everything you got is full of glitter.
Yeah, he's gonna be so happy. And mad, you know what I mean.
Yeah. Oh, man, that was so much stuff.
There was so much stuff in there, you guys, you don't have no idea. Like, we could have did mystery boxes for Easter, Christmas, Halloween.
What are we doing here?
What is it? Oh, I'm gonna get a drink. Hi. Oops. Can I get through or wait? Just wait? I'll just
what
wait.
do you need?
I was gonna get a soda, but it's fine. I can wait. We'll just do gas.
We have this one in $1.
I'll just get gas, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay. 10 on 4, I think. I think it's 4. The Camaro? Yeah.
How's your night?
It's good. Hot.
You're working right now, or?
Yeah, we're running through dumpsters and getting out treasures out of the dumpster. Yeah, like a bunch of they're throwing away all their holiday stuff. So we have like brand new holiday, like Christmas wreaths and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I know, crazy. Bye. Dang, I want to move here. Everybody's so freaking nice. The lady's like, so it's mopping, and then I was like, oh dang, I was gonna get a drink because it was only $1, like for a big one. And then she's like, oh, I'm sorry. She's like, are you sure? I was like, no, I won't go over. It's fine. And then she's like, oh, you working? I was like, yeah, it's really hot. It's hot today, and I forgot that I had this on. That's why she said, are you working? And then I was like, yeah, it's just hot. And she's like, hot? And I was like, yeah, I've been digging in dumpsters for treasures.
What kind of jack is it?
Oh, copper. God, good thing I just put. And then that girl right there is all nice and just smiled. And she left her keys on in the car with her radio on.
Oh, yeah.
Who does that?
Not us.
That car would have got stolen in 2 seconds.
6.5 hours later.
I gotta show you. Look at.
Oh, good.
Woo.
I'll put that right in the kitchen.
I'll show you.
I've got to be ready for that one. Okay, I'll put those things back.
Look at this.
We saw this one. That's really cute. Oh, God, that's really cute.
Look at.
Oh, my God, honey, that is so cute. Look at this.
Is there
cute
little pots
thing.
for all the.
I can put this out back because my.
Yes,
with my
matches.
outside- Oh, my
Okay.
God. You can
They're
have
all
it-
for your little
look at
plants.
These. Oh, those aren't the cutest. They put a plant in them.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Look at that stuff.
And look. Oh, here's a bee.
Here's a nice bee.
There's a bee. Oh, and then look, Paul, you got new ones. Ta-da-ta-da. Hey, for your chairs. Whoops. I get it.
That's-
Yeah,
We'll put that up with the
for the elves' chairs.
Oh,
Look.
elf chairs. Oh, cute.
Oh, that's,
cute.
yeah, I
Those
almost
are
bought
cute.
those. You get those 99?
No, well, they were in the dumpster from, I think it was like Pier 1 Ralph's or something. 'cause
Oh, yeah, how much are those?
I don't know. It doesn't even.
Because I think
They don't sell.
they
They
had
don't sell on these.
99 cents for
Honey,
half.
look at this.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Look at this nice thing.
Look at that. Look how cute
Oh, I
that
can't
is.
wait for the 4th of July.
I know,
neat.
like, we got
These
cute-
and these two bows.
Look how cute these things are,
Look
though.
how these bows are darling. I love them to death. What's this? Look at all of them.
I got like another one.
Oh, look how cute. We can give mom some. And
Yeah, she put it on her chair. And then there's a bunch of this. Yeah, don't give me but above. And then I love this. This is my favorite little tiny.
Oh, yeah, them.
There's it with a bow. And then
A
one more.
little cutie thing hanging from it. Look.
Yeah, there's more those little things hanging, and I just pulled them off. But
Oh, I like that one.
yeah, it's pretty. But we have a bunch of the. Oh, it's
That's
just
cute. I'll just put some little bows out there
Yeah.
like that.
Oh, and then we found icicles, Pa, for the freaking 300. Yeah, the ones that's hanging down.
like this, yeah.
Oh no, I didn't get those ones. It's the old school. They're like this. Not the cool ones. We need
That's
those.
the clothes they had next door.
Yeah, we need to get
Like
those.
you're dripping down.
Yeah, we need to get those ones.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Well, we'll just keep. Yeah, I can just put all those here and put them in a thing together, and then we'll keep them together
So cute.
for what you call it day.
We could always put that thing in the backyard if we wanted to already.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it don't matter. We could put it over there or something.
Yeah.
But this little guy, it's freaking $12.99.
I love $12.99 for that. Is that not crazy? Yeah, I'll put him up front with a little baby plant in it.
Is it? I love the cock.
This one.
A rooster. Sorry.
Yeah, the rooster.
The cock or rooster. Oh, let me grab. Boom. Look at.
So maybe we can lay that. Like me to lay that up there.
$40.
The other stuff, like Jesus, that would be cute right there. Look, I can lay it right there.
Yeah.
Slide it right there. Because that other, the other stuff I put in here in the closet.
You should tell Pa. And then we got, so you could put together, there's like little flowers, like fake flowers, like, so you could put them together. You could stick them into the little.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, cute. That maybe we can set that up there. But
Yeah.
Yeah. Set up on the shelf. I did that over there. Is that
2 very boring minutes later.